The Trump administration's Department of Government Efficiency has slashed funding for the National Endowment for the Humanities, canceling all of its grants, effective immediately.
Arman Rahman has more on what it means for community work happening right here in Wisconsin.
When you think of humanities, you may think of a class or major from college, but public humanities organizations have been behind educational and cultural programs in every state in the country, but now that's all in jeopardy.
To help Wisconsinites tell their stories, to share with one another and to explore our challenges, our successes, the work that we do together.
But the 50-year story of the Wisconsin Humanities Council could be coming to an end. Executive Director Dina Wurtzel says she got an email last week from the acting chair of the National Endowment for the Humanities.
It was shocking.
Due to federal funding cuts, the organization was canceling all of its grants. That includes a $1.2 million operating grant to Wisconsin.
In order to reach every community in Wisconsin, every congressional district, every county, it takes federal support.
The work in those communities includes bringing 1,500 students to see Civil War reenactments and other performances at Forest Lawn Cemetery in Dane County every year. They also train teens to help the Forest County Potawatomi tribe bring back the traditional game of lacrosse. And more projects were set to begin soon.
Using our community-powered training program to help tribal communities address urgent mental health needs. That program probably won't proceed.
It's damaging and frustrating and unfair.
The Madison Children's Museum was also set to receive a $268,000 Climate Smart grant from NEH, one of 5 in the country.
And then a year later, actually no, we're not giving you that money.
They're still committed to buying a new electric vehicle and make green improvements to the building after matching the money from donors. But without that and a remaining $122,000 from the Institute of Museum and Library Sciences, they may have to make some changes.
At our hours or something, depending on how all this goes. It's incredibly murky.
Murky at best and destructive at worst.
Our organization is going to have to shut down.
Reporting in Madison, Arman Rahman, News 3 Now.
Thank you, Arman. Both Wisconsin Humanities and the Madison Children's Museum urge people to call their local representative as Congress appropriates funds in its budget.